The goal of this video is to help you quickly understand and master the information on this page without getting overwhelmed. Here we introduce the power universe and the 4 pillars of relative strength that we use to break down the markets. The power universe is a curated list of over 3,000 individual stocks built into an equal weight index, giving us the broadest view of the domestic equity markets to base our analysis on. The first pillar of relative strength we look at is relative momentum using the RSI or relative strength index. We start with this well-known technical tool and apply Andrew Cardwell's research to take it beyond an overbought and oversold indicator and use it more as a trend-following tool. It takes momentum to move anything in any direction, so we like to start our process here. In the next section, we move to our second pillar, which is relative participation or breadth analysis. Think of this as the world's largest tug of war. If more participants or stocks are pulling markets higher than are on the other side pulling them lower, then the breadth is strong and the markets have a better chance of continuing higher. In the chart, we have all the major breadth measures, both long and short term, to visualize how that participation is leaning. You can also find this data in the snapshot window along with some other shorter term breadth measures we utilize. Our third pillar of relative strength is probably the simplest form of all. The relative comparative charts instantly show us whether the index or security is outperforming or underperforming the markets we are comparing them against. On the universe level, we compare versus the SPY, the QQQ, and the IWM. Simply, if the line is going up, our universe is outperforming that comparative. If down, it's underperforming. And as we move down into the market segments, this analysis can prove even more valuable, helping spot changes in character during market rotations. The chart on the right shows us what percentage of stocks in the universe are making new highs and lows over a specified period of days. This short-term breadth indicator helps alert us to when the markets are nearing extremes both on the downside and on the upside. Another indicator that can gain importance as we move down into market segments. Our final pillar is our relative strength ranking system. This allows us to rank any grouping or list of securities using our proprietary price-based performance calculation over the last 3, 6, and 12-month periods on a scale from 1 to 100. This grouping shows our 11 equal weight sector indexes built from the power universe. The site default is a 3-month calculation, as we like to spot changes early, but the traditional 6 and 12-month calculations are also available to give a longer-term perspective. Here you also find all 51 of the subsectors ranked, giving you a deeper view of what's really going on under the hood. I hope this quick review helps you maneuver this page to get a bird's eye view of the market environment we're in, but realize this is just the beginning. You'll find one of these descriptive videos on each major page and can also find more in-depth educational videos in the strength training section of the website.